Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.com. As I said in my previous video, I'm going to make another video about Bitcoin and gold. So let's get started. Take a look at the Bitcoin first. Bitcoin USD weekly chart I made in the end of February, right? Then we have March, April, May, and all of that. So what happened? These were the highs that I was concerned, and I said, well, somewhere here, this one or maybe these highs, the wave 4 should be finishing here, and then we will drop back for wave 4, right? This will be wave 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the sequence. And since then, I started making some testing on TradingView platform. So I made this chart on the TradingView Bitcoin weekly. It's the same thing. We have 1, 2, 3. So it went up a little bit above this high instead of this one. Then, this one you can see here. So it went up there and then start to drop. And they went up. And this is in May, right? All in between, I didn't do anything because, to me, Bitcoin is as it is very dangerous. And then especially when you're falling into wave 4, then, one should stay away from it, right? So I said, what the hell with it. But since I saw that, the wave 1 and 2 in place, and then wave C might be going towards, a little bit below A. So that was the idea. And then what happened since then, I, start wobbling here, ranging, and then all of a sudden it start to drop. This is the chart again I made on MT4, right? Instead of TradingView. But same thing, we have 1, 2, 3, A, B, and then it's supposed to be coming for C. C should be either equal or a little bit below A. So this was the eventual target, and for that I made this chart again, and the same chart, but I will drop my entry. You can see here one of them entry here, and nice short there, and it is coming down nicely. And as of this is no, okay, so that's a different chart came in, right? So this is the chart, the last I made on 24th June, which is a couple of days ago, and was coming down powerfully. And today is 26th, right? The day before yesterday, this chart was made and the trade was taken. And today, what happened as of today, this chart is doing the daily chart, this is another version, but this is the weekly chart. So this is, came down and then it went up, right? And now a very critical condition here that, situation that either this thing's not coming down or going to the upside. This could be wave 1 and 2, if like some other people saying that this could be wave 4 finishing here. To me, wave 4 is very small, this one very small. So this is the daily chart showing that version that if this is wave 4, then this is wave 1 and 2, around 88%, it came and it hit that 88% bounce. So if we can stay above these lows now, we might be able to go to the upside if this is true, right? This will be wave 1, 2, and then followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. But again, I am still skeptical about that, and I think that wave 4 is not finished here, and it will be finished somewhere here. So let's see what happened. Now, as of today, I said that earlier in the video, that we are facing a very, very critical situation in USD yen. Actually, yen index, basically yen is either if USD yen breaks above that 160.40, then the whole market is going to be shaken up, including everything, right? And all yen pairs going to fly to the upside to the second sky, right? And then all the other things that will be affected as well. So maybe Bitcoin as well will be affected by that thing. So let's see what happens. Either we're going to break that and go fly, or the Bank of Japan is going to come in and intervene in the market, and that will move some, Bitcoin, gold, all of that as well, right? Indirectly, they are all get affected. They get all affected, right? So now here, this situation in Bitcoin. So be very careful. This is the weekly version. This is the daily version, right? And my, obviously my 40-minute chart is to see what came down very nicely, and I had a very beautiful trade, short trade. And then all of a sudden from here, it bounced and then become kind of like a bullish right now. But it came down here. So it's very confused now, like I said, that, because of the yen situation. Now, this is what the, be ready for these two charts are the good one, right? So be ready for that. Now, what about the USD now? Not USD, no, sorry, gold. Right. So now gold chart, here, gold chart. I made this chart on May 25th, right? So this is also, this is what I want to show you, that, this look, gold daily chart, wave 1, 2, 3, and we are into wave 4. And Bitcoin weekly chart is completely, similar, 1, 2, 3, and in wave 4. It's just that B point is lower than C. It's like it's going to be like a regular flat correction, while we are doing. This is a Bitcoin, and gold is we have this B wave is a little bit above this, and then it's coming down. So this will be a expanded flat. So that's it. So it's kind of flat in both ways, but very, very similar. 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4, and then after. So that's what I said, that once this wave 4 finished, and that's a big question, when the heck they're gonna get finished, right? So we have to patiently wait. And then once the waves 5 start, we're gonna have a big opportunity coming in both instruments, Bitcoin and gold. So be ready. This here, you can see the channel TL is hit. By the way, this is how my chart of wave 4. Wave 4 does this not all the time, most of the time. What? If you draw the channel, connect the 1 to 2, 3, and place a parallel line to at the wave, end of wave 2 to create a channel. So wave 4 should be like, it comes down, it breaks the below the channel trend line a little bit, then it goes back inside the channel and then fly for wave 5, like this, right? So this is this is just the opposite. Go there, right? So wave 4, and for wave 5, we do the same thing, that we connect the wave 2 and 4 lows of wave 2 and 4, and then place a parallel line on the top of wave 3 to find the target of wave 5. Right? So that's exactly what's happening here. It's about to happen here. You see, I think this is even enough that we touch the TL and we poke into the TL a little bit below the TL. And then even if we go back inside and then start to fly to the upside for wave 3 or wave 5, that would be fine. So just a matter of like, if I'm going to get my long entry, I will take it. But today I had a very good short entry, and then I posted on my Telegram as well. And let me just show you quickly that this is my gold trade today. And heard it, right? So and the entry was on yesterday, 25th, where I posted on the Telegram as well. And I held it nicely because I had an idea that it's probably going to go down. So on the 26th, you can see here from 23.25 to 22.97. And I closed it because now the situation is very dangerous right now. So either it's going to drop a little bit more, I don't care now. But if it goes to the upside, then I'll be all over it again, right? So you need to become bullish on my system before I take any entry. I do not take any entry without the setup. You know that. So this is what's happening in Bitcoin and gold. Very similar things, situation. Wave 4 in both of them. One is making kind of like a regular flat, the other one isn't. Expanded flat. We are in wave C of wave 4. And once the wave C in both of them is going to be finished, we will fly towards wave 3 of blue count and 5 of blue count, which will end wave 3, in gold right now, right? So I think it's going to help a little bit, you guys. And then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have a couple of other videos I'm going to make. Because market is just very slow yesterday, today, so I have a little time to evaluate everything and then come up with these videos. So and you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time quickly, so you can take action accordingly. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. Where do I go? Where do I go? Okay, let's change something here. Stop recording.